FIRSTAR Healthcare Company Limited Guangzhou is located in south of China, which was established in 2000 by Sally Wang Yan, and now is a supplier of FIRSTAR kits. FIRSTAR addressing emergency bandage, CPR mask, wound care and surgical products to healthcare systems all over the world. It commits to quality and responsibility. We are ISO 13485. MDSAP certified, and our products are CE market. We also have DIN certificate and have been BSCI certified. Approximately 100 employees who are acting open-minded in 0.25 headquarter office, Unity 5,000 square meters manufacturing facility for production and warehouse space, being truly who you are and changing the world together are what united us from diversity across United Kingdom, Finland, and Australia. FIRSTAR, it is devoted to design new items to global market, to offer developed existing product consistently of serving of clients worldwide. We also offer OEM and ODM for all products listed, and other more with customers' requirements. We are always keen to know new partners interested in working with our teams and taking FIRSTAR make products into new markets, supporting and distributing FIRSTAR devices to help professional healthcare workers to profoundly change the trajectory of health and well-being for humanity. In the next part, I'm going to show you more details of our products.
FIRSTAR.com make global trade easier.